Today we will do an epic kind of food fusion. We will make a weight loss tea which will not only taste very good, it will look like a fizzy soda drink. So watch the video till the end. So share this video with all your family and friends and prepare to get your socks blown off. And we'll start right after the intro. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and today we will make two sodas. Basically these two sodas will not cause you weight gain. In fact they are helpful in losing weight, okay? And you can modify them if you are doing keto, if you are diabetic, or if you are not doing keto or diabetic. I'll tell you all the modifications as we go. So our first drink is the green tea soda. To make the green tea soda we'll first need to make green tea. To make green tea I am adding some green tea leaves to about a cup of boiling water. In this I am adding stevia as a sweetener because stevia is basically 100% safe sweetener, especially if you are using stevia green leaves. Just a while back I made another video in which I first checked my sugar levels before drinking stevia, and then I made a stevia drink just like we are making right now, and then I checked my sugar levels, and my sugar levels, instead of increasing, they decreased. Basically what you need is a cup of green tea. Now with this green tea we will make ice cube. So I am pouring this green tea into my ice cube tray, and you can see that my ice cube tray is heart shaped. You can use any ice trays that you like, but I like heart shaped ice cubes, so that's why I am pouring my green tea into heart shaped ice cube tray. So once your green tea is frozen, now is the time to make your green tea soda. If you are making this soda for your family or friends, what you need to do is just make sure that you have a lot of green tea ice cubes, and if you have these ice cubes in your freezer you can easily make this soda. What you have to do is just take out these ice cubes, put them in a glass. Since these ice cubes have been made with green tea, and it has been found out that the green tea accelerates the fat metabolism, that is to say the fat burning or the weight loss is promoted with green tea extract. In fact, people who were given green tea extract had 17% more fat metabolism than the regular people. In addition to this, it also has caffeine, and we all know the effects of caffeine on your mood and your brain and memory. It has a positive effect. But the thing is, caffeine alone can be a bit too much. To balance this caffeine, there is something called L-theanine in green tea also. L-theanine, when combined with caffeine, it provides more benefits of caffeine. It has a synergistic effect. In addition to caffeine and L-theanine, green tea also has EGCG in it. EGCG is a very good antioxidant. It will clear off any free radicals, any toxins in your body. So basically this soda will not only help you lose weight, it is good for your brain, it is an anti-cancer, plus it will give you a good smell. Okay, so once you have added your green tea ice cubes in your pretty glass, next you will add your carbonated water. Make sure that your carbonated water or sparkling water does not have any added sugars in it. No added sugars, no artificial flavors, just plain carbonated water. Set it in the fridge because as the temperature lowers, the solubility of carbon dioxide in water increases. That is, you'll get more fizz out of your fizzy drink. Okay, once you add this, you can see the fizz, the bubbles in your glass. Now if you want, you can add more stevia if you want more sweet. Now stevia is a safe sweetener, and in the store bought, even if it is diet coke or no sugar Sprite or whatever, they have added some artificial sweeteners which are even worse than the regular sugar. I have made a video on that also, so that's why I'm saying subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of every wonderful videos that we make. So anyway, once you have added the sweetener of your choice, add a straw, preferably a one with the umbrella. You can add one straw per one serving, or you can add two straws in the same glass. It is up to you. Anyway, the second drink that we are going to make is the gold milk soda. For the gold milk soda, we need to first prepare the golden milk. Golden milk is a time-tested Ayurvedic remedy good for PCOS, joint pains, brain health, and any inflammatory disease. I have made a separate video on how to make golden milk, the benefits of it, all the research links and everything. To make this golden milk, we are using like 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. If you are doing keto diet or you are diabetic, use coconut milk or any other low carb milk. Now is the time to add your spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kalwanji or black seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. When you combine black pepper with the turmeric, it enhances the effects of turmeric multifold. All the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, pain-killing benefits will be multiplied. And now to the sweetener. Now I am adding stevia as a sweetener. If you are doing keto diet or you are diabetic, stevia is a good choice. If you are not diabetic or not doing keto diet, honey or any other sweetener will be good for you. Anyway, once you have made your golden milk, just pour it into your ice cube trays and then freeze it. If you want to enjoy this milk with your family and friends, make sure that you have these golden milk ice cubes frozen in your freezer. And once you have your friends over, just take out this from the freezer and put it in your glass. And these ice cubes, they taste yummy even by themselves, believe me. Okay, once you have added your ice cubes to your glass, then you can add your sparkling water, add more honey or stevia or whatever sweetener you like on the top of your carbonated drink. And once you mix it, you will see all the fizz and all the bubbles in it. And this is the kind of fizzy drink or soda that will help not only to lose weight, it is free from any artificial sweeteners, no chemicals added. In fact, all the things, herbs added in this are beneficial for your brain, for your body, for your general health. They are antioxidant, they are anti-inflammatory. So make this soda and present it again with an umbrella straw. So let me know in the comment section below, did you make these sodas and how much did you like it and how much did your family like it? Did they ask for more? Did you make any more such combinations? Let us know in the comment section below what herbal teas did you enjoy by making a soda out of it. So share this video with all of your family and friends who find herbal teas disgusting, so that they can make sodas out of their herbal teas and enjoy their herbal teas as well as the sodas. So thank you for watching the video till then. Till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.